One Butte family learned the importance of having a working smoke alarm in their residence this morning after they narrowly escaped a fire. KXLF's John Amy talked to the family about this scary incident on Walnut Street.
An early morning fire destroyed most of the Davidson family's possessions, but they count themselves lucky thanks to a smoke alarm.
We wouldn't be alive. No chance. I'm lucky, very lucky. That thing saved our lives.
The fire started from an unattended pot on the stove about 12:30 Monday morning. The alarm woke Ryan, and she was able to rouse her two young children and get most of their pets out of the Walnut Street residence before it was consumed.
That was a very small window of escape time. We got to the road, which was probably only like 3 minutes. The windows were exploding and there was flames coming out of everywhere.
She was surprised how quickly the fire spread through her home. And if it wasn't for that alarm, well, it would have been a very tragic day.
If it hadn't been for that alarm, we wouldn't have made it. I mean, like I said, it was literally like 3 minutes and the whole place was gone.
Fire officials say this is why people should always have working smoke detectors.
Good time to be thinking about those smoke alarms. We want to be checking them things, making sure the batteries are working. The people don't realize how fast those fires can move, how fast it can get hot and smoky in there, making it difficult to make your way through even your own home.
And the Davidson family certainly appreciate that their smoke alarm was working that morning. In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.
Wow, thank you, John. The Red Cross has provided the family a room at a local hotel this evening, and the family later plans to stay with relatives in Helena.